Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Morant Bay Urban Center. Now this facility is a game changer. It's like you built a modern town in Morant Bay. That's the Southern Coastal Highway on the right, also a game changer. The two actually go hand in hand. The building of the road facilitated the building of this facility. This is where you had the old Goodyear factory, and it was idle for years, decades. And then the government decided to build this urban center here. And it is a game changer. Not only has it done so well, it's totally booked out. They actually had requests for more space than what the center had. So on the left is where the NCB is going to be. That's the main entrance you're looking at now. And then that building straight ahead is the Morant Bay, or is it the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation. And then that building there now is the UCC campus. And then that long building is going to be commercial space that you can rent. Now this facility did so well that the government is actually building another one in Port Antonio, and they announced, or they had a groundbreaking for another one in St. Mary in Boscobel. And it's just a matter of time before every parish in Jamaica gets a facility like this. Now that building to the right is the Juicy Patties. The building straight in front of it is the new courthouse. That building at the top right now is the Pica office, and then that building at the bottom right is the Burger King. And Hilo is actually opening a supermarket somewhere in this main building here. Then at the back you have manufacturing companies. Hart has a facility back there. Game changer. This is what you call a job well done. This is progress. And you see that it has adequate parking. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Let us know what you think about this facility and the government's plans to build more of them across Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.